Hey, what do you think? Should we get a new couch? Yeah? Hey? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So for this episode, we are getting a new couch. We actually already got it. So earlier today, we had a gentleman come out and pick up our old couch. You guys remember what that looks like? We filmed on there before, but I'll show you a shot. And then this is definitely one of those days where I'm missing my big truck. And I even think with the truck bed, I don't know if this would have fit all in one trip. But Chelsea has been hunting for a new couch for what, like 2 weeks now?
Well, probably like 2 years.
2 years. Like ever since we moved, she's like, we're gonna get a new one. And we thought we were gonna like just let this one hold out, but she's been doing a lot of shopping and found a good deal at IKEA. The trick with that is though you can't go and shop in the store, so because of lockdown it's only click and collect. So I ended up renting a van, and I'll cut to that real quick. Bless you. Got Porter in the background sneezing, but I'll show you a clip of kind of how that all went and then get you caught up to speed to where we are right now. So this is the van. It's not quite the same as a Tesla, but it's actually pretty nice. So it's a Volkswagen. I gotta read this side and figure out what it is. I think it's a Transit or something, but I'm actually really impressed. Like it's a good layout here of all the controls. The steering wheel is actually really small compared to like the size of the vehicle. I thought it was gonna be like a big truck wheel, but everything's really compact. It makes a lot of sense. One thing that doesn't make sense though is they have a mirror and they have the plastic lining over the back of it. What I like to see is on the mirrors and some of the newer vehicles I've seen, they actually tie into the backup camera. So if you have something like cargo or whatever that's blocking your view, you can turn it on and it'll just live shot kind of like a picture just directly behind the vehicle, show you what's there. So super big blind spots on this thing. Obviously we got side mirrors, but switching lanes, I'm just kind of extra careful, making sure there's nobody tucked on the corner there they can't see. But yeah, it's a good ride. It was a little bit of a mess getting the actual boxes. So I pulled up, and I'm at Tesco now, but right across the street you can see the IKEA. I pulled up there, and they the way they do it now for click and ship is you order online and then they come down in an elevator with all of your stuff, and then you just load up and go. It's super easy. But when I got there, I called and they couldn't find my order at first, and then when they found it, they told me like, okay, yeah, go ahead, pull up by the elevator, we'll get you set up. And when I got up there, they came down with one big box and two small boxes. And I was like, all right, there's no way this is the couch. Like, I know that it's compact and I got to build it, but there's like, I think 4 boxes that were on the invoice. So I had the guy run back upstairs. He came down and he goes, yep, we got some more for you. There's like a page 2. Someone else is running down with them. I called Chelsea and I was like, make sure that I got this right, because I don't want to drive all the way home with a rental van and then have to like rent it again because I missed a box or go pick it up from another location. But everything's in the back now, got it all loaded, and just grabbed a quick bite to eat at the Tesco and ready to hit the road and get back to Chelsea. So I think the plan is we're gonna get all the boxes inside, we're gonna break down the cardboard, and then take them to the recycle center and get them out of the house. Here we go. So we're back at the house, got everything unloaded from the van, and we have like an hour and 30 minutes or so before our appointment at the recycle center. So we're gonna try and cut open all the boxes, get all the cardboard sorted, chop it down so it fits in my car, and then, or actually back in the van, and then we're gonna run it over. So got a lot of bit of, we got a lot of running to do before we can get to assembly, but we're gonna make this timeline so that we don't have all this stuff in the house.
Productive day.
Yeah, it's pretty busy. It's a holiday too. It's a Monday off of work, and Chelsea's putting me to work here. But
we did nothing this weekend.
It'll be good. It'll be worth it, I think, to have a new setup in here. We're excited to show you guys. So instead of doing a time lapse, I'm just gonna pick up the camera and give you an update as we go. But right now, let's break down some boxes. Okay, minor update. Porter can't hang. He's not gonna see the unveiling of the couch maybe. Just need a nap right now. So we got all of the cardboard out of the house and everything is kind of laid out. I'm just gonna go for it because we checked and our time for recycle is until like another hour. So I think I have enough time. I can get majority of the couch, if not all of it, put together, and then I'll go do the recycle run a little bit later. But I'm excited. So right now it's a mess in the living room, but it's gonna look really good when it's all put together. You excited?
Yes.
All right, another quick update. I just ran to the recycle center, got rid of all the cardboard, so you're welcome, David. I did that for you. You got to keep those Oregon trees growing strong. So you can see we made a little bit of progress. I didn't quite finish it, but we got the actual, I don't know, it's the couch parts, the love seat, and then you have the chase on the wall there. Got them all covered. We just got to get them assembled and then put the cushions on there. We should be good to go, but maybe another 30 minutes or so. You can see it's already getting dark out and Porter's getting ready for dinner. Figured out how to operate Chelsea's phone. Yeah, I'm trying to hurry up.
He's grumpy.
Yeah, he wants to sit on a new couch.
He skipped his nap today.
Oh, that's always good. All right, so I'm gonna put you guys down and we'll show you the finished product here shortly. All right, so a little bit longer than 30 minutes. Porter got a power nap, but he's still a little chatty over there. Okay, here we go, big reveal. This is the final product. I really like it a lot. Check it out. Fancy.
With my leopard slippers on.
So Chelsea, we've been trying to keep the dogs off it. Chelsea and Porter are gonna sit on it for the first time. So this is neat because it's like modular. So you can have just the 2 seats. You can move the chase to the other side. It was kind of funny. I don't know why you did it. You could put the chase in the middle and then have the seats on the outside. Just a lot of parts and pieces. And the cushions, because they're new, took forever to get inside there, but in the cases. But Chelsea said that she can remove them and wash them, so she's happy about that. All right, you gotta take a seat.
Yep.
You're throwing a weights.
All right.
Going for the middle.
Oh,
Sorry.
it's firm.
Is it?
Kyle wanted a firm couch.
Yeah. Dogs have been dying. They're like, can we go up? Obviously, we'll let them go, but...
Yeah, we are excited about the low armrest.
Yeah, they're pretty wide, too, so we always put our phones and iPads. All right, Sonny. She's like, I can't wait any longer. What do you think?
Sonny's annoying.
You want to lay in the chase? This one's a little bit shorter than the other one, so it doesn't quite go. You can see...
I feel like we have more
indentation.
room.
Yeah.
Which is nice.
So much room for activities.
Yeah.
Yeah, lay down on the chase. Try that part out. Hey! Hey! Are you hungry? Is that what you're saying? Yeah. It's firm enough to hold him up.
What do we think? Yeah, it's nice. What do you think?
Chelsea's got to decorate it and cover it with pillows and blankets and... Yeah.
He's trying to sit up.
You got to tell him about it. What's it called? What's
The IKEA Kivik.
Kivik? So what was the ones? Tell them quick, like what you were looking at and how you decided.
So I wanted an Ektorp, but they discontinued that.
Yeah.
And there's just different ones. Kyle really wanted a firm couch. And I watched a lot of YouTube videos since the lockdown. We can't go.
Yeah, we couldn't test them.
What are you doing?
I was always like sinking into our old one and it just wasn't as comfortable anymore. You would think like as it got more worn, like the padding would be comfortable, but just that there was like no back support. So I was like, let's go a little bit firmer.
So here we are.
Hey?
I read like this one will become more comfortable like the more we like use it.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm happy with it. I'm a little annoyed Sunny's already on it, but
Is this your couch?
Having a meltdown all day.
Yeah, she's just been watching me put it together on it. All right, guys, so thank you for that random adventure and sticking with us. Hope you enjoyed this video, just something a little bit different. And again, like Chelsea said, trying to break up the monotony of lockdown and being able to drive to IKEA, pick up a couch, spend a day putting it together. Yeah.
He wants to be the star.
Yeah.
You gonna close this out, Porter?
All right, you guys say, please subscribe. Yeah.
And hit the camera. Whoosh.
It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good night. It's gonna be a good day with you by my side. All we gotta do is wake up. All we gotta do is wake up now. That's a bottle we can shake up.